Have you bought a car or a bike or luxury item worth more than 10 lakh rupees last year? If yes, then you might have paid tax on that purchase without even knowing it. So what happens is when you make a purchase of a bike or a car or luxury item worth more than 10 lakh rupees, the seller from whom you buy it collects tax at the rate of 1% from you and pays it and deposits it with the government on your PAN number. Being a prudent person, you are required to file your ITR correctly and on time while claiming that tax amount which is deposited on your name. That tax is called TCS, tax credited at source. So if you will not claim that TCS in your ITR or you will not file your ITR at all, you will face two problems. Problem number one is the loss of your own money. So this TCS is actually the tax collected from you, but it is not your exact tax liability. It's just a kind of a deposit with the government, and you can adjust that deposit with your tax liability, which is actual liability at the time of filing of ITR. If your deposited tax was more, you can claim the refund of excess amount. So this is how this entire mechanism works. If you have not filed your ITR at all, or if you have not considered this TCS, it will be a loss of your money only. So problem number two that you will face is if you will not file your ITR and show this purchase, in that case you might receive income tax notice. So what happens is this TCS is actually a mechanism with which the government tracks your high value purchases, your luxurious purchases, and compares it with the level of income you have reported in ITR. In your case, you have not filed your ITR at all. So the government will send a notice and seek clarification as how you were able to afford such a high value purchase when you have reported zero income, because you have not filed your ITR at all. So because of this reason, notices have been served to many people seeking clarification for these luxurious purchases. So if you have made such a luxurious purchase like a car or bike or wristwatches worth more than 10 lakh rupees, ensure to get your ITR filed correctly and on time to resolve these two issues, and secondly to get the benefit of your own money which you have paid at the time of purchase and which is there with the government as your deposit. So if you are spending like a millionaire, ensure that your tax records, your ITR looks like that of a millionaire as well.